Hi, welcome to my channel. I was asked to make a Taylor Swift theme cake for Angelina's 6th birthday, and they wanted a lot of fun elements included in the design, so let me show you how I made it. My client requested some glittery, sparkly balls on the cake, so I wrapped each stick with floral tape. And they also asked for a Taylor Swift edible image and some music notes, so I printed those on icing sheets. Next, I used these letter cutters to make the name Angelina. And they wanted a friendship bracelet that says Angelina 6 era on the bead, so I made those using an edible pen to write on small fondant pieces. I also attached the Taylor Swift image to a piece of fondant to give it some structure. For the music sheet, I created a realistic page effect by placing two brushes underneath the icing sheet to form some soft creases. Since Angelina loves red and pink hearts, I made some fondant hearts and added edible glitter for extra sparkles. For the cake itself, my client requested a chocolate butter cake. The bottom layer had coffee buttercream filling, and the rest were filled with chocolate buttercream. Stacking all the 4 layers, I covered the entire cake in Swiss meringue buttercream. It's my favorite type of buttercream in terms of taste, texture, and color. So for the outer design, they specifically wanted a color gradient, blue at the bottom, purple in the middle, and pink on the top. So I applied the colors and blended them using a cake scraper and a palette knife. So I repeated this smoothing process a few times until I was happy with the finish. Once the base was ready, I added all the decorations I had prepared, the Taylor Swift edible image, the glittery disco balls, buttercream swirls on top and around the cake, the friendship bracelets, which I think was the most time-consuming part because I had to attach each pearl and bead one by one. They also requested some heart-shaped cookies, which I had made earlier. I have a short tutorial for that too. To finish, I added more hearts, butterflies, extra music notes, and more cookies. I sprinkled edible glitter, gold leaves, and shimmer sprinkles for that sparkly effect. For the final touch, I sprayed the cake with edible glitter and added the name Angelina on the cake board. I painted this name with a mixture of gold luster dust and cake alcohol. I love how sparkly this cake turned out, and my client was really happy with the result as well. So there you have it, a Taylor Swift theme cake for Angelina's 6th birthday. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.